Good morning. Hey, today I've got an amazing story to tell you. The story is called The Fiery Furnace. You ready? Here we go. King Nebuchadnezzar was so angry that his face got all scrunched up and almost turned purple. Why was he so mad? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, three of his workers had said no when King Nebuchadnezzar declared that everyone had to bow down to a huge golden statue that he had made of himself. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego knew that God was the only one that they should worship. But this made King Nebuchadnezzar so angry. No one disobeyed the king. The king demanded to have the men tied up and thrown into the furnace. He even ordered to have the furnace turned up 7 times hotter than normal. Ouch! It was hot. When King Nebuchadnezzar peeked into the furnace to see Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, he was surprised. "I thought we threw 3 men in there," he shouted. "But I see 4 men walking around in there, and they aren't even tied up. They're fine. What's going on?" The extra man in the furnace was an angel sent by God to protect the 3 men from the fire. The king flung open the door of the hot, fiery furnace and called, "Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, come out of there right now." When they came out, everyone noticed that the fire had not hurt them. They didn't even smell like smoke. King Nebuchadnezzar was amazed, realizing what had happened. "Your God sent an angel to protect you. You disobeyed me and faced death rather than worship someone other than God. I declare," Nebuchadnezzar said, "that no one in any country can say anything against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, because no God can do what their God can do." Pretty amazing story, isn't it? I bet that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were pretty scared when King Nebuchadnezzar threatened to throw them into the fiery furnace. Have you ever been scared? I have. What kind of things scare you? And maybe more importantly, you can think about how you know that God is with you even when you're scared. Okay, thanks for being with me today. See you next week.